Your cells are supposed to have sophisticated repair systems. DNA damage happens constantly from normal metabolism, but healthy cells fix it almost as fast as it occurs. So why are some people aging faster than others? A new study points to something most of us never consider: the electromagnetic fields generated by our electrical infrastructure. Researchers at multiple Chinese institutions just published findings that reveal a specific pathway by which 50-hertz magnetic fields, the frequency of our electrical grid, can damage DNA in aging human cells. Dr. Sun and his team focused on senescent cells, which are cells that have stopped dividing but remain metabolically active. These cells accumulate as we age and contribute to inflammation and tissue dysfunction. Here's what they discovered. When they exposed senescent human fetal lung fibroblasts to 50-hertz magnetic fields, something called the mitochondrial permeability transition pore activated. Think of this as a gateway in your cellular powerhouses that normally stays closed. When it opens inappropriately, it disrupts energy production and triggers DNA damage. The researchers used magnetic field strengths of 1 millitesla. That's about 10 times stronger than what you'd typically measure near household wiring, but well within the range of occupational exposure near electrical equipment. What they found was significant activation of these mitochondrial pores, leading to measurable DNA damage specifically in the aging cells. This matters because it reveals a biological mechanism. It's not just correlation. The study shows how power-frequency magnetic fields can directly interfere with cellular energy production and genetic stability. The mitochondrial permeability transition pore is normally tightly regulated. When it opens due to electromagnetic stress, it allows calcium and other ions to flood the mitochondria, disrupting normal function. What makes this particularly concerning is that senescent cells are already vulnerable. As we age, we accumulate more of these cells, and they're less capable of handling additional stress. The study suggests that chronic exposure to power-frequency magnetic fields may accelerate the aging process at the cellular level. This research fits into a larger pattern. In our database of 925 studies on DNA and genetic damage from electromagnetic fields, nearly 74% found biological effects. This isn't an isolated finding. It's part of a consistent body of evidence showing that EMF exposure can interfere with our most fundamental cellular processes. The implications extend beyond just aging. DNA damage is how many diseases begin. When cells can't properly maintain and repair their genetic material, it sets the stage for cancer, accelerated aging, and cellular dysfunction. So what can you do? First, be aware of magnetic field sources in your environment. Electrical panels, transformers, and high current wiring create the strongest 50-hertz fields. You can measure these with a simple Gauss meter. Readings above 2 to 3 milligauss suggest you might want to increase distance. Second, consider your sleeping environment. You spend 8 hours there every night, so chronic exposure adds up. Keep your bed at least 6 feet from electrical panels and avoid sleeping directly under or next to high current wiring. Third, if you work in an environment with significant electrical equipment, take breaks when possible and maintain distance from the strongest sources. The cellular aging process is complex, but this research adds another piece to the puzzle. Understanding how our electromagnetic environment affects our biology empowers you to make informed choices about your exposure. Find the full study and hundreds more at shieldyourbody.com/research.